So today I want to do a video with the Nintendo Switch, and the reason I'm doing this video today because Nintendo has finally given us the ability to pair a Bluetooth pair of headphones into the system itself. Now, you probably, if you searched on the internet, you'll see that there's videos already showing you how to add Bluetooth capabilities, but a lot of times when you wanted to add Bluetooth headphones, you had to plug a special device into your particular headphone jack to give off a Bluetooth connection to be able to pair a pair of headphones to it. Nintendo today has pushed an update to the Nintendo Switch that allows us to basically pair them straight to the system. Now, the Nintendo Switch has always had Bluetooth capabilities, but to be able to take advantage of them, you do need to update your system. So to be able to update your system, you're going to want to head into your system settings, and you're going to want to say system update. So we're going to let it update, and we're going to come straight back to the system once it's finally done. Alright guys, so we're updated to the newest version of the Nintendo Switch. Now, to be able to pair some headphones, you're going to want to go to your system settings, and you're going to want to go all the way down to sound. So Bluetooth audio is what we're looking for. We're going to pair a device. So now we're going to end up basically getting these into pair mode. Nope, that wasn't right. Okay, we're in pair mode, so the system should pick it up soon. There we go. And okay, let's see if I can actually hear this now. Alright, so I have my Nintendo Switch in my hands. We're just gonna see if I can hear this now. Yeah, I can actually hear it. Does my volume settings get controlled? Okay, that's kind of cool. The speakers themselves are actually in the volume settings, so that's a nice thing to know that your headphones are right away paired. Now, I don't know why Nintendo didn't allow this feature to happen before, because, I mean, the Nintendo Switch had all of the capabilities here already. It had Bluetooth built in. If you're wondering if that's how the Joy-Cons connect and the Pro Controller connects, you'd be correct. The hardware was here, but yet Nintendo didn't allow it until 5 years after the Switch launched. So I'm disappointed that Nintendo didn't do this sooner, but I'm excited that it's finally here. And if you were sitting on the ballpark of buying Bluetooth headphones because the Switch didn't support it, well, the good news is that it does support it now. If you guys enjoyed the video for today, hit the like, hit the subscribe, we'll see you guys in the next one.